How to use facial steamer. Point number 1. Apply a deep cleansing mask such as bentonite clay or one that has tea tree oil and leave it to dry. Apply it all over the face. Then leave it to dry. Point number 2. Cleanse it. And then cover your eyes with a piece of tissue or a soft cloth. Then sit back, relax, and steam your face for between 5 and 20 minutes. Just do it gently. While doing so, you can use a sharp object. This sharp object will help you to remove some stubborn accents. Some are very stubborn. Just take your time. Until you get the result that you want. This sharp object will also help you to put the pause on those accents. The process has got several advantages. The first advantage is hydration. Steaming your face using the traditional method of basin and towel will not quite have the same success. The second one is aromatherapy. But not all steamers are designed for aromatherapy. The third, it brings relaxation to the skin. Remember, not all spots are caused by stress. The fourth, it enhances treatment results because steaming increases your circulation and the turnover within cells, hence removing the dead cells. The fifth, it expels blockages. This is another response your skin has as you steam your face. Another one, it leaves healthy skin cells since the dead ones are being removed. Last but not least, it improves circulation. Facial steamers warm your skin, which in turn causes responses from your skin. It is something which is amazing and worth practicing. please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, put your comment below. We want to hear your thoughts. You can also share the video. Please subscribe. Just hit the notification bell below so that you can receive any video we post, any video we upload. When done, splash your face with cold water to close your pores naturally. If your steamer can do so, have a session of cold steam. Use cold water. When all the processes are done, pat your face with a dry and clean towel.